Okay, viewers, good morning to all of you. We just landed here at Juneau, Alaska, the capital of Alaska, USA. There you go. It is the big ship. It's landed here in the land from the sea. People coming out already here, getting ready for the excursion, road and water excursion. This is the bus that we're gonna get in. Alaska Tours coach. There you go, Alaska Coach Tours bus. Alright, thank you for watching and stay tuned. I am Romel Toronto po. The Virgin Forest of Alaska. Juneau. Oh, there's a gondola there. There you go, see that? And also getting the salmon eating later on in our 5 hours offshore excursion. Another bus here coming. Alright, thank you for watching and stay tuned. These are the containers here, guys. Bye for now.